Are you right now having problems with your Cash App tag not showing and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because for some reason I had the exact same problem before myself, and I'm going to explain to you and show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So I decided to make a video because I think it's important and it helped me at least so of course I hope that it will help you as well. What you're going to do, you're not going to log out of your Cash App account, by the way, just close the app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app, and now you should be taken here. Scroll down a little bit in here and click on general, as you can see. Then click on storage, as you can see in here. And by the way, if you have an Android phone, it's going to be similar. So you're going to also access storage, and it's going to be the exact same steps. So now we're just going to scroll down and find the Cash App in here. So click on Cash App, and then you're going to click, as you can see, it says Offload App. So click on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App in here. So, and then click on the blue button here again, by the way. And what will happen now is that Cash App will automatically update to the latest version. So my tag actually disappeared when they did have a new update, and I think that it might be some kind of bug. So when it's a new update, we need to update to the latest version, and then the tag will reappear once again. But if it still is not showing for you for some reason, what you're going to do then is to go back into your Cash app and then log in into your account if you haven't done so already, and then you're going to contact support and you're going to explain to them that your Cash App tag is missing. So I hope that this will be able to actually fix this problem for you.